Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, April 11th, and this is the Monday Minute, your weekly update on the local Palm Springs real estate market. Well, this is interesting. For the second week in a row, we're starting to see a little bit of a shift in our numbers. Don't know if that will become a trend, but we're going to keep a close eye on it. Let's see what's been happening in real estate in Palm Springs over the last week. Our new listings, they were up last week 11% to 473. That is, in fact, the largest number of new listings since we've been tracking this year. And when I look at the numbers from the beginning of the year, we've seen an upward trend in new listings since the beginning of the year. So that's a good sign for the buyers. Our inventory, it was up 6.9% last week to 746 homes for sale. Again, that's the highest number of available homes we've seen since the beginning of the year. And in looking at the numbers from January forward, we've continued to see a rise in available inventory. Another good sign for buyers. Our new escrow activity, it was down 2.4% to 205 new escrows last week. Looking at the numbers from the beginning of the year, we see a fairly constant set of buyer activity. The new escrows are right around that 200 mark all year long. So one of the things I'll be watching over the coming weeks is to see if that buyer activity changes and if the new listings start to continue to increase, and will that cause a little bit of a shift in our market towards the buyer's favor. Our closed transactions, they were down 21.8% to 255 last week. Again, as we often say, the closed transactions generally reflect buyer activity from about 3 to 4 weeks ago, so nothing too unusual there. Our price reductions last week were up 3% to 126. Last year and earlier this year, we were below 100 quite often, and now we're seeing ups up in that 120 range plus. So again, that's a number we'll keep an eye on to see if that's starting to indicate a shift in the market, and sellers are starting to have to adjust pricing to get offers. Finally, let's look at our average sale price. That was down 7.5% this week to $779,478. So again, when I look at the numbers from the beginning of the year, this has been kind of some ups and downs, but the trend has been upward pressure on pricing. So we're going to keep watching going forward the new listings, see if that trend of more new listings continues, and see what impact that's going to have on our market. So if you're a seller, it's still a good time. Prices are great for you. Call me, 760-625-7229. Let me talk to you about our strategy for getting maximum exposure for your home, which will get you the highest price in this market. If you're a buyer, start your home search online on our website at www.thehamiltonregroup.com. We've got a great home search there, and then call us to find out our strategies for getting your offers accepted in this market. And of course, you'll find the charts that go with this update, as always, online at www.themondayminute.com. So thanks for joining me. Come back every week for the Monday Minute.